Vivela valne via fi le o mafuta mali tanto malo pe ona tande foi ia le fionga ia Vaasilifiti ia po le fionga foi ia Omega malelenga to Lau Jackson Hilbron il nefe via fi ia fa talo fa tuel tanto malo le nga fa lo malo so fu mluia
Malo so fu
wa mai lo fionga ne via fi
manuia la faftai la mo le no le nei tu la mo nei tangata pata pa faftai la
malo fa ia au fa fonga tanto tunu ia mana i fu fa i lo la la fanga ia mawai fu ia ngai mai lo fionga ia nu mala la fanga before we get into our fa tatanonga and sharing your story with us this afternoon from Mul.
ia faftai la mo le no ta lo fa tu pa ia malu le o le fa mai le nei tu la o Vasili Omega malenga mai no sa fola malava sa vai ia mai se tu puanga o tu a fai ilangi folanga o ngata vai fanga malo a vao ia tele lava ai o mai lava le mo tele sala fai tai
Malo fa tele o no le fa no in fu ele no ne fia fia la fionga ia e tanto tala no ai fu il tanto por calame. Now tell us about a little bit about your business. We know that you're a entrepreneur, business owner with over 10 years of experience specializing in business development, marketing, clients relations, and strategic planning. And you were educated, of course, in Longapulotu Samoa College, University of South Pacific, Fiji. Yeah, and tell us about your background, in business and as well as your business that you're working in, that you're managing at the moment.
Thank- yeah Eh, yeah thank you for the opportunity yeah Ole business ile Taimine Casey St. Luke's. We've had it for the last almost 3 years when we bought it or took over from the past owner who I was working for about 2 years before we purchased this. And before that, we were in Muscat, Oman, Oman ile Middle East.
Yeah.
Sa sa maya malawai nga mafanaw. Spulu ono to sanga o yayo.
What were you guys doing in Oman? Were you selling oil there?
Yeah.
Were you selling oil there in Oman?
I wish. Um, my husband was a pilot there for the airline, Oman Air for 16 years. So that's what took us from Vaikamio Polynesian Airlines in Samoa and Mai Polynesian or merged Male Polynesian Blue at the time, Virgin.
Yeah. Okay.
And Oli Sugenga Lava Isi Awala ia mawai manuia ainga na malanga i loa i Oman. Ia mawai loa masulonga tau sanga i o
16 years in Oman.
16,
cool.
yeah.
Wow, interesting.
Yeah. Amazing experience. So, I did work there and mainly I was looking after our kids. We have two sons. And then I did a franchise business there, which was in English, my Engelangi. It's called Small Print. So this one was a small business to do from home, making jewelry for children's like fingerprints and also parents. So I was doing that, for about 5 years before COVID hit, and then we returned to New Zealand.
So
But
you were doing that
before-
business while your husband, while your husband was still flying airplanes out in the Middle East.
Yeah. Yeah, he flew the Middle East towards Asia and also to Europe. Yeah.
And then you migrated back to New Zealand. So you're working. Is he working now in New Zealand or?
Yeah. So when we came back, to for ile COVID telling na no for my so that's what brought us back. Well, lava the planes weren't flying, so they unfortunately they had to let all most of the expats go from there. So that brought us back here. And then we had to look at other ways to, earn an income, to support our family. So we got two businesses when we got back. My husband went into property managing, during that time. So we have another business called Pukeko Management. So it ran lava ia business nga a o lea la sa uwhainga luenga ai, and then na vaai ai e mana ia fo I lea matafa ioi, and that's how we knew and we thought it's a good idea to buy into it. So we bought this branch of Casey St. Luke's. There's 76 around the country at the
76.
moment.
What
But
is Casey Clinic?
yes,
What do they specialize in?
so we are a skincare sort of beauty clinic. We do cosmetic injectables, beauty rejuvenation treatments. We do laser hair removal and chill sculpting.
Okay. So
So to break it down,
break it down for us, especially for us men, do you only take women, or do you also take do you take male clients?
yeah, we take all anyone like people. Ele whailonga tangata matu matafa yoi.
Mātou leo mai mai savai, se wha malama mai lama mātou ia mai mai savai, vo lele e walenga lingi me whape o mātou motu.
No ilanga savai so. Kakele mea yo mako. Yeah, so it's in the beauty industry. So it's so soangi say to look for linga. I mean, you already look amazing, but what we do is just to help enhance what you have already. So sometimes, so if we're not like a healthcare
All right.
business, just to be exact, but we are more on the beauty side. So we help with any skin concerns. So for before sometimes people don't use the right products or nothing on the skin. So then exposure lisa ilela and my pigmentation
Fufua.
PA in a yeah
Right.
if fonga va pe voi fufua yeah it tele lava ya unga le na mau me se ye falling si tulo. But that's what we do is if suswani for le clients ia malama ile me sa ona fai I lo lava yo love fonga ina ia whaalelea ma, clearer skin, look after your own skin with the right products, home care, and also treatments that we do.
Okay. Do you deal with la fode me kapole lupia? Vitiligo Vitiligo?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, no, that's something, no, we don't, we can't, no, that's not one of the things we do. Unfortunately, that is yeah, no, that's not part of our
Oh, okay.
what we
Of
do. We
yourself.
have so many skin concerns, but we deal with things that we can help with, such as like acne,
Acne
skin
Fufua
pigmentation, yeah, and also aging skin. So that's where we have the cosmetic injectables. So for if I say to look to for in a
Kau wha
alu lunga
mafola mai
tato.
foli.
Yes, ngā kongu.
Oi, ia ngā. Tau wha
Yeah.
mo mosi ei, kau wha mo mosi ei foli.
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah. Ya lu pe lunga ya ta sana so fua ya ala.
Ala nice foreign
Ala
and
mosi ma ya foreign.
o o aso tala la to o nanga la o fionga Vaasilifiti.
O lua le se fulu ana I fa. O le aso lulung le Tofi se fulu le fitu, so late night. Ma le aso falaile o se fulu le fa, ma le aso nai o le iwa le tolu le fiafi.
Apparently you're closed on Sunday ke alu loku
Ia, ngā kongu wa e soli a sana ko. Makapangi.
Lei fa tai tere la fionga fo le fa soi o ala ni fa tu ani no tau fo le wala le fa to atoru tau sanga talu na operate are you worried about any pandemic that might break out soon?
and then another one. I mean, that's always a worry, but that's beyond our control. I mean, we have gone through a rough patch here in New Zealand. I live umalole COVID.
Post-COVID.
Yeah, yeah, my last year, the recession. So it's been hard. Kele ia tele lava nai tatu tangata ia wa let go inga luenga fo ia malo so it affect uma
Their
ia
income.
matou po industry ia wai pe o le the reality is it's for disposable income ia matou le industry
True.
um a lea laua so I have to say le taimi Navy ia lavle li wa mata ona toe mo pe toe mautu mai ia tangata I Aukilani ua koe mo toe fia o toe sangi mai ia tata tangata I nei mo treatments ma le o mai foi le I matou sosoani o latou whawhitauli with their skin. So it is a lot better now. Last year was really tough. So a lot of challenges, of course, in the first 3 years, like you mentioned. Ele fai ngā whia.
Yes. As any other business, it takes about 5 years for a business to actually
Ab-
be on its own and sustainable.
Absolutely. Yeah, yeah. So it's been, and it's a learning curve for us as well, for me being here. But yeah, it gets better, I have to say. Once like they say, there's a first for a lot of things, but once you've done it, you know what to do. But there's always challenges, but ka ko ol fatu tua lava mali pe yo utala tua tua ngat talo vai
E,
vai le loto ia vai mamia mo pe ale
if it's so
but it's
sunny,
more them
alo if yung Vaasilifiti, it's so sunny la I alto company vanga I walini la uru.
le ai la yo ma so
Albicia
yeah
and Bald Heads.
le ai
Oh, okay.
we deal mainly with the face
Face, okay.
um and we do the opposite for to low laser hair removal
Ah, laser
yeah
hair.
for
E,
mm.
okay, pe
So
mo
the
mia.
machines, the machines we use are state of the art machines that were brought in by the head office, which is called Casey or Fab Group. Yola tola ye fa yesu su enga o ama sini e ao
Suitable.
yeah. Uh, no, not surgical. Sorry, laser rejuvenation. We use fractional laser as well, and treatments here for cosmetics like Botox, human, and fillers. So if I my head office here, so a Yale team for little that do research and development so that we don't just use any treatments. They make sure they actually work because there's so many treatments around the world that trickle through New Zealand, but they do test and make sure the different treatments work before they let it come through to the clinics, and then we can use them in the clinics.
Oh,
Yeah.
mana te lele. Thank you for educating us about these things because some of us vai mo matou mai le fa long foi. It's a very interesting business. E to tele tangata this business sa mo ile love for industry to no New Zealand.
It, so to be honest, when we bought into this, inga what ka wheloa ai fo I isi business owners. O tele wheloa ai lawe se sa moa. Ile tōtau sa po le lima tau sanga fo yo e iai e o whainga luenga I different clinics.
But they have an own one.
They use a therapist or nurse. But yeah, ele to tele. Ele ai mi se o te loa owning. Yeah. It's a business. So I think currently I'm the only one we know that we're Samoans at the moment. But of
Yes.
course, I'm always on the lookout and hope, to have other Samoans join the business.
Would
Yeah.
you, would you open a clinic such as this Casey clinic in Samoa in the future?
If the market gets better, definitely.
Oh yes, especially our people.
uh,
We all, we get tend to get into social comparison. Kama hololo fi auleleia.
Yeah, I mean, it's a business in any country, to be honest. So yeah, if no, it would be really good to have one like this in our beer because, like you say, tele lava tatu tangata isa more lava if you feel lava and if your treatments here. Like here too, we have all our clients from all different ethnicities. So yeah, definitely.
Le ala sa fautuanga fo lele mo matou e fia fa le a tiri matou fōringa.
Yo lo fotuanga lo from mole vili mai book info consultation.
Booking, give us the numbers, fa mo le tatou
Yeah.
address.
Yeah, okay. So we are located at Talang, Lima Maumele, St. Luke's, Westfield Mall. Um, we're at 87 Taylor's Road in St. Luke's or Mount Albert area, and our number is 815-0502. We offer free consultations, so you don't pay anything to do a consultation. And in that consultation, we talk, like we check your skin. We have a skin scanner that can see a little bit more, under your skin,
Okay.
more than the eye can see. So, the scanner, so we can see what's
What's
on your
underneath
skin.
the
And
skin? Yeah. Do
yeah,
you do
and
allergy
then
tests? Allergy test,
no,
skin allergies.
no, that's not us. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, complex skele yeah whawhitau lia saunga mai ai so
No, well, some of us whom are tuning in might be thinking, especially our eczema. It's got a problem with eczematic problem.
yeah,
Yeah, eczema le alu fōringa. If you
yeah,
la
yeah.
kula pano fa le fōringa pe awa pe o eczema.
Ole eczema like you have to go to your GP.
Yeah,
No
okay.
whawhitau lia ki saunga mai ai. Because at the end of the day, your GP can refer you to what to do next.
Ah,
So we are not a GP and we are not medical. We have a nurse, but her specific role is to do the cosmetic injectables and our other laser treatments.
all right.
So for those like eczema and that, so we do treat people who have eczema, but not when it's in a flare up stage. Like your skin has to be calm, has to have no flare up, and then we can help sort of even out your skin tone. From like olisimile scarring from breakouts as well. That's the sort of thing we can help with. We do microneedling and laser rejuvenation that really helps the skin reheal itself. And in that rehealing process, it really boosts your skin and it boosts your collagen induction. Yeah, my terminology.
Yeah, so man, yeah, this is very interesting for especially us, a lot of our listeners that are tuning in. Le pe ke o kumo ku lenga kaya.
Yeah, leo kaya ole holiday mo
Mai, oi, ora o mako mai are loka.
Let's talk not even Salama next Tuesday, but also if you go on the website, casey.co.nz, a level link in I'm on my book, appointment. So there's a Casey in, different areas of Auckland or New Zealand. So you can book to the nearest one to you. But of course, yeah, tato isa moi yeah, if you so my if it's how no fa sa mo yeah, le yeah, ia tangata no tatou e pai no whamatala ina whawitau yo lo mawai on your skin si tu lo.
Ma lo fa taila o venga Vaasilifiti. Leo te mai tau atu fo le lo background. You also teach Samoan Siva. Do you still have that project going? Samoan Siva?
When we so my family, I mean, we love
Yes,
Siva.
you're from a family owns a hotel back in Samoa back then.
Yeah. So if people reach out, then yeah, we help with one of my sisters. We help coach Siva sa mo pe fa pe sa uni ia ni fa po iponga te mai te sa mo po o avang competition for year polyfest po ai si me sa uni ni alam fa na o fia fa le le langa tawalunga po le sa i event sa ainga na
A mis foi po
na
e kalesia.
kalesia.
Alo.
Mm.
E se si vaenga o misi ta whatanonga lau fiong?
Le ai puli mai lava lau fionga ai o ia na tat fasili ya.
Alo whaaftaitele lau fionga. Ia, mai ni o lo whaangal tātou atinu wha mai ai ta whatanonga malangang whaalor.
Ia whaftai lava lau fionga se yuli morena ia vano le au maua launona lava le longa whaatau vai le ia vanoa whaftai mo ia whaailoa toi foi business ia nei tanga whaatau vai whaftai ma whone. Ai se upu o sala fa mo le fa mangalo mai le au na le au ngā. Ai whaftai lava i tato tangata ma tamali in whaila aunga o whaitua ma tausi au ona le atua i se whatawatau langa whaftai lava mo talusanga. Mo alon whanau o tato tunu wai langona malawa i tato o le tato wanga nuu o se anga nuu ese mai lava nei laulangi we have a unique culture and togetherness so se mea lava tato te malanga ai tau te wheloa ilo le sa mo e pei au tato a inga pei o na matoa o maua i le Middle East so te whea i lava na langona ia so se tu lava laulangi e o lava nei au kilani so tangata no lava tato i e whai lava talonga ngafa me fui no mai e tato tu alo whai lava ia ata so wheloa i fo le awala awale falling a ese pa talo fama
Lang kau se si whapea. Kau se lau fionga me pia spalangi kingi na.
Yeah, that happens, but yeah, falling a palang also va i mau I lava.
Whaaftaitele lau o fionga a Vaasilifiti e mo le whaavanoina fo i lau taimi o le nganga moni o mato mita wala ngai le lau maua fo i le fo i au nanga ma le tautua le hafo le tatu addressment telefoni whaamanatu tatu atunu
Whaftai o le 87 Taylor's Road, St. Luke's or Mount Albert. O le telefoni o le 815-0502. 815-0502.
8150502 mo tātou o lo fia mo o miele fso swani il fa au lea tili na we au lelei ia e toi fa lea au lea tili ali fa lo fa poiponga ia pe la toi al foi lo fa lua ia pe le tata uni te alu i sau date ia a ngai mua se sila le fionga ia Vaasilifiti ia te oe ia on fa pe mai lo fa tuanga ia te alu la pe te alu vai fo mai pelal vaenga a le vaenga ta ua na ua fa la le ina o folinga ia ma teu fo tato folinga na o mai le tato tua nganga fa alolo so i fua mai manuia